What if there was a place where the pace of life is whatever you want it to be? Where slowing down doesn't mean boring. Or where living it up is a way of life. A place where dreams aren't put on hold. And where arts, culture, and community come together. Where new discoveries wait at every turn. From the top of a rolling ridge to the depths of a twisting cave. During morning drives to hidden gems. Or at live shows under the stars. This is the home of all-out adventure. This is Iowa. This is where you belong.